Hello everyone, I'm Milo Alan, a learning facilitator with Ultimate Multimedia Consult. So today I'm going to talk you through on how to use Filmora, a video editing software. It works both online and offline. So allow me share my screen. Alright, so this is how the interface looks like. This is our editing area. So you can see at the top here we have media, we have audio, we have titles, we have transition, effects, elements, split screen. So when you look on our left, you can see we have projector media, we have folder, we have shared media, we have folder still, we have sample, color, then we have sample videos. So I have on my computer, I intend to use photos to come up with a video with transitions, effects, elements, and a sprint screen element in it. So this is how the interface looks like. So I'm going to show you how we add our raw data, and then we process and come up with a product. So when you want to add photos or videos or audios, you click on this plus button. I believe you can see it here. Then I will click. I will come and select the photos I intend to use. So I have my folder on my desktop called Spot. So I will open it, highlight all the photos, or select the photos I intend to use. So I will highlight all the photos. For me, I'm going to use all these photos because I arranged it for this session. So now they are here in my editing area. There are two ways you can add this photo in your editing area down here. One, you can click on the plus button, or you can click hold and drag where you want the video or the photo or the audio to be. So for this case, I'm using photos, so I will put my first photo at the beginning. I believe you can see it. After I have placed it here, you will see in the preview area, it shows me that the photo is there. So about the duration, on how I want my photo to appear in this video, it's determined by the length of that photo. So I can extend the length so that it can take some seconds while playing in the video, or I can reduce on its length so that it doesn't take long while playing in the video. So after I have added that photo, I'll bring another photo that I want to be next. So I'll bring my next photo, I'll press it like that. I'll bring another photo. So I will arrange the photos the way I want them. If you want to use the plus option when adding your photos, you have to make sure that this playhead is where you want to add the photo. So if I want to add the photo at the end of this very photo, I will move my playhead at the end of that photo, and I will come and add a new photo that I want to be next by clicking the plus symbol. So I'll just click. You will see that the photo has begun from where I placed the playhead to where it has stopped. Still, I can decrease or increase like the length of it. I can play with it, make it more longer, or making it shorter. So that's how we add photos while editing. I've shown you the two ways on how we can add these photos. One, we can click and hold and drop where we want the photos to be, or we can move the playhead where we want this photo to start and end. I believe we're together. So as I told you, I intend to use all these photos. So I will add all my photos. For me, I'm arranging them the way I want them. Even here that side, you can arrange your photos the way you want. It's not that there is a default way of doing this thing, but you can arrange your photos the way you want them. So I'm arranging them according to my style and interest. So I will put my last photo. So this is so far. Now I'm done with pressing my photos. Now I'm going to add transitions. I'm going to add text. I'm going to add audios. I'm going to add splinter. I'm going to add elements, transitions, and we are going to see how we add this. Okay. So you can play your video and see how it appears. So I'll move my playhead to the beginning of my video, then I will click on the play button to see how my video looks like. So you can see it has no transitions, no text, no audio. So we are going to add all this, and we shall see how we can play with photos and come up with a beautiful video using Filmora. So you can see my photos, different photos. Okay, thank you. So now, first of all, I want to make an intro to my video. Remember, it starts with photos. It's okay, you can start with photos, but for me, I feel like I need a suitable, a better intro to my video. So since this is the first photo, I will drag on my right. No, sorry, this was the first. Okay, I'll drag, then I will create space at the beginning. So let me use a sprint screen to create my intro. So a sprint screen here gives you an option of you adding more than one photo being on the same line, like being on the same scene. If I intend to use this 1, 2, that means if the video starts playing, it will have both photos on that same screen. But so for me, I'm going to use a split of 3. So I will bring it and press it where I want it to be. I believe you can see it. Then I will add. You see now it's giving me option. You can add picture 1, picture 2, picture 1, picture 2, and then picture 3. You get. So if you want to put this as your picture 1, you click and hold and drag it to the first segment. Then you can move your photo the way you want it to be aligned. I believe we are together. Then I will look for another photo that I want to appear in my split. So I will move this here. So I will also align it the way I want it. Then lastly, I move this a second. Then I'll move it like that. Then after I will click on OK. Then I will play and see how it starts. So you see, that's my intro. Then it starts. So I've created my intro. I believe we have seen how to use split screen. You have more options. You can select any of the provided options here, as you can see. So for me, I've used the split screen that gives me 3 options of photos. So far, that's what I've used. So I'm going to add transitions in my photos. So I will click on transitions. Then they give you they provide a number of transitions, so you can try them and see which transition suits your video. You can try as many as possible. That brings out the beauty you feel that you want to see in your video. So for me, let me look for some good transition, because I'm familiar with the system, I'm familiar with the software. These ones. Yes. So how do we add transitions? So you go and click and hold and move your transition where you want it to be. All these transitions help, like they are joiners from one photo to another, or from one video to another. So I'll put it in the middle of the photo. So when I try to play my video, that's how it appears. So that's the transition I've so far put in my video. So I will go ahead and add as many transitions. So you see that